Hello everyone, this is Tommy McCagg with JPAR Real Estate. We are looking at the progress of the new build out here in Celina at Bluewood. And the great thing is we actually have electricity out here now. They have done the first walk and taped, so there's a lot of taping things going on, but the door is in. It's going to be stained a different color, but the door is in. This is a DR Horton that y'all have been watching the progress on for the past months. It's a 3-2, about 1,600 square feet, give or take. And we have things happening now. This is great. I'm so excited. All the floors are in. Again, there's tape everywhere, but that's all right. We'll fix everything. It's the first go around. DR Horton, about 1,600 square feet, out in Bluewood subdivision in Celina. Celina is a hopping area out here. Let's see what the shower actually looks like now that we've got electricity. This is great. Anyway, this is Tommy McCagg, JPAR Real Estate. That's our update on this house for November the 18th, 2021. Have a great day. Bye-bye.